Perfect scrambled eggs? You came to the right place. Forget dry, rubbery eggs. We're cooking up fluffy, flavorful clouds of heaven. It's easier than you think. No fancy chef skills needed, trust me. I'll guide you step by step. We'll use simple ingredients to make your taste buds sing. Get ready for breakfast fit for a king or queen. Let's get cracking. First things first, grab your ingredients. You won't believe how simple this is. We're using everyday staples to create magic. Ready? Let's go. You'll need eggs, of course. 2 per person is a good rule of thumb. Next up, milk or cream. This is our secret weapon for creamy, dreamy eggs. Don't skimp on this. A pinch of salt and pepper is next. Seasoning is key, even with breakfast. Now, for the fun part, fresh herbs. Think chives, parsley, or dill. Chop them up fine and set aside. Now for the main event, cooking. Don't worry, it's easy. First, crack your eggs into a bowl. Add a splash of milk or cream. Season generously with salt and pepper. Whisk it all together. Use a fork and beat until light and frothy. This is crucial for fluffy eggs. Now heat your pan over medium-low heat. Add a knob of butter. Once the butter melts, pour in your egg mixture. Let it sit for a moment, then gently stir. Use a rubber spatula and keep the heat low and slow. This is key. As the eggs cook, they'll start to set. Keep stirring gently, pulling the edges towards the center. Cook until just set but still slightly wet. Don't overcook. Remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat will finish cooking the eggs. Now, for the grand finale plating. Spoon your fluffy eggs onto a plate. Sprinkle with your chopped fresh herbs. They add a burst of flavor and color. And there you have it. Perfect scrambled eggs. Eggs are great on their own, but sides make them even better. Think crispy bacon, juicy sausage, or smoky grilled tomatoes. The possibilities are endless. For a lighter option, try avocado toast or a side of fresh fruit. And don't forget the coffee. A steaming cup of joe is the perfect pairing for a delicious breakfast. Get creative and have fun with it. Mix and match your favorite sides for a breakfast feast. There you have it, the perfect scrambled eggs recipe. Easy to follow, delicious, and guaranteed to impress. Now go forth and conquer breakfast. Remember, cooking is about having fun. Don't be afraid to experiment and add your own personal touch. Now dig in and enjoy the fruits, or should I say eggs, of your labor.